Hello, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make my favorite childhood snack. It's called bread buns, or some people call it poki, but bread buns is what we call it where I grew up. This is a fantastic and a delicious snack. Like when you eat it, you feel full after taking just one and taking water. It's very tasty. This is just a very simple recipe. You just need few ingredients. I use 5 cups of all-purpose flour, sugar. You add sugar to your taste. I just use 3/4 cup of sugar, one egg, just one egg. Vanilla extract. You can change the vanilla extract to any other flavor you prefer. A little bit of nutmeg and water. When we are growing up, I've seen a woman make this particular bread buns. She used water, but these days people use milk and so many other things. But I want to get that delicious taste I love when I was a child. This one is made with water, so I'm replicating the recipe and I'm using water. Enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Give us a thumbs up for our efforts and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you and enjoy this video. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it and I enjoy eating the bread buns a lot. It was so tasty. Please, if you've not tried any of my recipe, try this. You won't regret it, okay? Thank you so much for watching to this point. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe today, please. And turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you can get notified of it. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.